Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. If I can make this kind of result, if I had non-global access, I can scalp my market and make this kind of result in just a single day, which is 6% or 7% of my account. Why not you do the same thing to your account? You see, all these trades are here. These are just 1 or 2 spikes I caught since the yesterday night and yesterday. This is what I scalped. I scalped the market. I don't mind, even if it is $1, I take. Though this trades, I will tell you one condition on the board because sometimes you need to understand the market very well, and you need to understand how the board actually works, because this is an auto trading board. So you have to be careful with which kind of trade will you hold and which kind of trade will you not hold in your market. You see, all these things are good results. If I can do the same thing, why not you? Ask yourself, if somebody can do it, why not me? That's what you first ask yourself. Sometimes it makes me laugh when some people ask me that they find it more difficult to control themselves with respect to the account they use or their loss. My guy, that's not the thing. That's not the thing. No matter how you think you want to make money, there are a lot of people out there that want to make money too. So calm down. Don't think about the money. Think about the quality of your trades. If your trades are very qualitative, your entry will be. If you have a very quality trades, your account will show. That's just it. Let me see how many trades I took. 1, 2, 3. Okay, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. On this one I've just closed 13. I took 13 trades. Let's see how many of them are red. 1. This one is just an auto close because the bot execute a trade for me after I have achieved my daily target. So I have to close that trade. See, just to this stop loss. Market hit stop loss here. There his stop loss. So you see, market hit stop loss only twice. And what is the maximum risk? What is the maximum risk I exposed to my stop loss? This entry, I risked $86, which is less than 2% of my account. You see, with this board, you can risk less than 2% of your account, and you can get a positive result from the market. Look at it. And on this one, $50, it's less than 1% of my account. Less than 1% of my account. What's my, see, look at it. 6,400 and something. I have reason for taking this trade, and I'm going to show you something here. See, 6,000. See, so averagely 1% of 6,000 is 60 now. You see, so this one is below my 1%. This one, so I'm risking less than 1% of my account on every trade I take. But you will see some people, they will risk 10%, 20%. My friend, that's not how to trade. If you trade like that, market will surely blow your account, no matter how good you are. So just understand the market structure, understand the market analysis, understand what you need to know. And this thing save they worry me. You as a trader, if you know that why not stick to your rules? Why? If you want to make anything you want to make in the market, you have to stick to your rules. You have to stick to your rules. Those rules are very, very important. Those rules will guide you achieve what you want. Those rules will give you exactly what you want. Those rules will help you get exactly what you want to get from the market. It's very, very simple and clear. They say obey this rule and you will see result. Why won't you obey those rules? Why won't you obey those rules? Why? Please, you have to obey the rules. You did not obey the rules and you are expecting the market to be very fair with you. Market don't even know you. Market don't know you exist. So market is on its own. So please, I take God beg you, anytime you are trading, always try to make sure your market analysis is always the best for you. And all these small 0.1 and 0.2 loss you are seeing, I'm using them whenever I place, say when you want to reduce a lot size to it, because this loss I'm using now, I'm using 0.1 lot size, which is below the normal average price in which all people used to see boom and crash trading. Even yesterday, I received 2 new clients that we had a discussion yesterday, and I even explained something for them. Let me even say that in here again. Let me show you how you can be able to change your lot size, because your lot size is very, very important. Your lot size will help you achieve what you want. Sorry for the disturbance. So now, if you are finding this amazing, please like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. This is Adnan Global Access, in case you don't know. Adnan Global Access Forex. We are here to help all struggling traders get what they want to get in the market, achieve what they want to achieve in the market. Because the market is not good and it's not bad at all, but yet you can still get what you want out of the bad times of the market. And as a retail trader, I always advise retail traders to the only thing you need to do as a retail trader, always try and stay ahead of the market. That's the only thing that will help you. Always try and make sure you are ahead of the market. One step ahead is okay for you. One step ahead is very, very okay for you. So that's just it. So let me show you my trades yesterday. And you see, look at this is what we got in yesterday. I've achieved my target. And after I've achieved my target, I saw 2 to 3 positions that I need to take. So now I want to show you how do you trade after you achieve your daily target as a boom and crash trader. I'm sorry, what I always discuss is boom and crash. I do have another channel for forex trading, but I will transfer it to this place because of the audience. My audience are always those that need to trade boom and crash very well, because as a beginner trader, you need to start with boom and crash, because that's why you can catch small pips that will be giving you some daily incomes, at least that you can survive the trading career. So that's just it. So now let's move on. After I have achieved my target yesterday, then I asked myself, how much am I going to risk on that account? Since I have booked my profit, which is 67% on my account, and I have reached my daily target, then I ask myself, how much am I going to risk? Then I tell myself that I can never risk more than 2% of that amount. 2%, yeah. Let me even see 1%, because this is $350. As of yesterday, before these 2 stop loss hit, let me check my Telegram channel. Let me check my Telegram channel. This is my VIP group. There was a position. The last I posted a signal. No, not signal. And this is it. I said 430 just for today. This is mad. See our trades here before the market hit stop loss. This is our trades for yesterday. Look at it here, live and direct. AGA Forex. So you see, this bot is actually trying, because I'm not seeing any bot these days, or I should say, the reigning bot at the moment is this magic bot, because it's a bot that you can edit yourself, and the bot don't have problem. Anytime you want to take a trade for you, the bot will automatically take a trade for you. And if you set the bot to take your trade with 0.5 lot size all the time, If you do that settings for the first time, you will never do those settings again. Those settings will remain there forever. Because somebody was asking me, will you always be setting your board when you want to execute a trade? No. For those that even want to customize the board, we can do a customization for you so that you can own the copyright. We'll write we'll write the name of the board for you. We'll write your name on the board. We'll create some special link for you on the board. We'll make the board to be like your board. If you buy the copyright from us, anytime we get a new update, you are not paying or you are not buying that new updated board. You will just be updated automatically. That's when you buy the copyright. But if you buy the normal board, we have the scarping board, we have the candles board, that's the one we normally trade the candles, and we have the two-in-one board. The two-in-one board is the one that has both the spike and that used to catch both the spikes and the other then there is all both the spikes and the other candles. So it two ways around. That's why we call it two-in-one. There are two boards there, so we mash them together and they become one. So they perform the function together. You can scab your market. That's the same board I used to achieve all these results. Let me show you. That's the same board I used to achieve all this. You see, crash. I traded crash yesterday. We crash 500, crash 500, crash 1000, crash 1000. You see, crash, and it's all said. So this board catches spikes. I can testify to that. This board caught spikes. So, but for those that have the board already and they don't have this updated board that catches spikes, please just contact my support manager or contact me direct. I'll make sure the update will be released to you at a very fair condition. That's just it. So this is Adnan Global Access. So look at it now. This market, the reason why I entered that market, I say I will not risk more than 1% on my account and I need to enter that market. And even after I enter the trade, this is why I said that market has already 40 pips gain. But I did not close this trade. I still hold it. Look at it. That's what. This was what I posted yesterday. Around what time? Around 11. This market was already 40 pips yesterday. Look at it, 40 pips. So based on the video I did last morning, I started this. I told you that I will achieve my daily target even there yesterday because I already did it and I even wanted to not trade again, but I just traded. So you see. So now look at it. So next trade, I'm going to do something like this, and I'll make sure. My next video, I'll do something like this. I will make sure I give you the best. So let me show you why I entered this trade. This trade has already $4 profit, but I did not close it. Why? Because I want to tell you that if you are risking a small and a minimum percentage of your account, you will not have fear, you will not have doubt, you will not have bad feelings in your mind about market direction. Okay, assuming this trade now, this market moves 80 pips from against me. So you see, from that 40 pips profit it was giving me yesterday, that market wiped away that 40 pips and produced another 80 pips, making 120 pips. That's the average to range a boom and crash market can move in probably 12 to 6 hour time. So you see, this is a very good, because why? I don't have issue with having fear, say this market. No, I don't. You can see the market here. I'm still losing just $6. What is $6 to this account? What is $6? Money I know that I will still recover, because yesterday it was even $4 and I didn't close it. I posted this market. Which kind of discipline will make me to enter market like this? You can see this is my real account that I used to trade here personally. Those that have been following me so far, you know when this account was less than this. I don't have to brag for anyone. I'm not just bragging. I'm not just telling you shit. I'm teaching you what you're supposed to know, and I'm giving you live and direct action on everything I'm doing. So please understand the market. Understand everything you need to understand. In the next 30 minutes, I will have a VIP session with one of my clients. It will be a webinar class. I will make sure I recorded that video so that I can post it to you. That's why I post how to perform a full and detailed market technical analysis on boom and crash. That's how to understand how to use boom and crash to perform your technical analysis, how to get those confluences attached together, how to get that market structure attached together, how to identify major zones, how to identify minor zones, how to identify those levels you need to hold in your mind for you to take a trade as a boom and crash trader. Because there are two different things. You can be a boom and crash trader, but you cannot be a profitable boom and crash trader. But what I want everyone that is following me on my YouTube channel, Facebook, everything, to always be a boom and crash profitable trader. Simple. And as I promise, I will definitely release the demo bots. Congratulations to those that are trading forex. If you know you are trading forex, currencies, gold, everything, please contact me. I have a special bot for you. I have a special bot for you, and I have a special EA for you. For those that are interested, only the interested and the serious ones, please can contact me. That bot, you'll be shocked of what you'll get with that bot, because last week I caught 190 pips moves on GBP USD, on Euro USD, and I posted the screenshot on my group. So that's just it. So I think I should end for today. And this market sale is come down, so I may even resell this market again. I may resell it. Let me even resell it. I will resell it, and after the market retrace and come down, I will come and close it. Or after this position go down to one, that means the other one has been coming down. So probably it will be in profit. Yeah, as far as in profit, I'll close it, and I'll show you a video that I close so account like this with a very minimum low risks. Simple. I want to use 0.1 again to enter market, not anything. You see, I sell. So I have two positions. Now let me minimize it. I will show you how to reduce the losses. So you close position, then you could place this place where the minus pipe. Press two times. Make sure you just press it. Then close market. You see, 0.1, 0.1, and they are all running in profit. So this is what you should understand with this bot, and this is what you need to understand how this bot is, and this is why you need to understand this bot is used to trade profitably in the market. You yourself, you can tell yourself the percentage risks exposed to this strategy or this bot, and the percentage risks in return. I took 13 trades yesterday. You can see it live. I showed you. I counted in your presence. Only 2 trades hit TP. So you yourself, you can just calculate the percentage. I don't have time to do that. So if you want to ask yourself what is the winning rate for this magic bot bomb strategy or magic bot, please just calculate that one, because that's the average loss I used to take per day. Sometimes I will not even take, my trade will not hit stop loss. Those that are following me knows. If I'm lying, if I'm not, you can just check my channel. From now, since last month, you come back, check it. Whatever I did, I updated it online. So that was the reason I told some BIP, some people that bought the bot, you can join my BIP membership, because if you join my BIP membership and you have the bot, it will be very, very easier to make money, because you'll be seeing the trade I placed, you'll be seeing how I manage the trades, you'll be seeing how I close the trade, you'll be seeing all the details, informations on every entry I got from the bot that I entered and also shared to my BIP group. This is AGA Forex, Adnan Global Access. Please, for more information, for any other things, contact me or contact my support manager. Nice to talk to you, and I will be nice to see you in my next video. This is AGA Forex. You can see this market is already giving me profit. It still come down. Let me check the chart. I know this market will come down. It's been 500. I've been analyzing the market for a long time now, and I'm expecting a serious downtrend from the market, because look at it here. This is a typical downtrend. This is 4 hours chart. Let me even use daily chart. It's a typical downtrend. You see, market has crossed this 50 moving average, but there was a strong rejection from here. You see, strong rejection. So let's see if the market can reverse and come down. See, signal confirmation, market is still selling. So it's not a big deal. This is Adnan Global Access. Nice to see. This is SGA Forex. Good morning everyone. I'm back. Today is Monday, 5th April 2021. I'm just going to highlight you about what we talked about yesterday. You see, this position is still there, and I've taken another one. This is the only position I took signal last night because I risked my profit. That's why I didn't take any trade. I had to close that trade, and when market oversold, I sell again. So that's why I was able to get this $3. So let's see, this is $2. So even if I close it now, I will still be in profit. Let me show. I'll close it now in your presence. After 24 hours, I closed it. You see, I still have 93-cent profit. So I did not lose that trade. It was a profitable trade because I gained something. Even if it is a break even, I gain something. So that's how exactly you need to trade your account with cautious risk. You cannot just start risking your money for nothing, for some stupid and useless setups or indicators. You have to use your eyes and price action. Price action must tell you exactly what you need to do at the moment. Simple. So please, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. In my next video, I'm going to talk about something special. So meet you in my next video. Bye.